I go by the name of G5 like this. She got a nigga like ass fat like walk him down like pack loud like stay dangerous. Call it what you want, Ben Frank. Fuck something. Put your hands on that table, don't break, baby. Do it with no hands, she ain't even gotta touch nothing. I'm tryna make the bitch leave, but she keep coming. Chop her ass, chop her down, yeah, I'm on that. I'll walk him down, make him run that.
The original Hawaii Poppy returns.
Brought my slippers.
Fresh from the big island, the small island, and all the other islands. It's about to be hot, and he all hoodied up.
Yeah, I don't know. It'd be crazy.
We
Damn,
gonna get rid of.
Let's talk about it.
You know what makes it so bad? It's traveling on the back of the truck. Every time we're done and we get to an event, that's worse. Every single time. But we gonna fix that today, huh?
It is ripped right here a little bit, but that's about it. Not like
Not like that.
this is a rag top for sure. Rag top.
So go ahead, let's get to unloading, man. The name of the game is beat the heat.
You won't get that camera out of my face, man. That'll be fast.
Huh?
Get out of my face, that'll be fast. Back it up. It's damn hot.
Beat the heat, mate. It's about to be a hot one today, boys. We out here at Stockton. We're at Jeff's. Jeff took a top out, one of the verts. We're gonna go ahead and take care of Jalen's raggedy ass top. He literally got a rag top now because it's so fucking raggedy. Raggedy. Ooh, I like what I see. I like. Yeah, Jeff got to get this done. Why is it so fucking low? Am I tripping? Are my RX-8s this low? I'm bugging.
Growing up, man.
Hmm?
All of us are growing up.
What would happen?
He's talking about what he's gonna do, his goals. So these are his goals. His goals.
Oh, yeah.
Should hear what I am.
What?
You know.
An engineer.
I have to put a nut and bolt it. Let me put it back on. It's just yeah, it's just a piece of it spinning.
Just a little bit so that it, there we go. Yep.
I was gonna tell you to bring a canopy.
The easy up?
Yeah.
It's in the back of the truck. I'm track day ready at all times, cuz.
Fuck yeah. Bring that thing over here. Fuck that.
Yeah, I'm track day ready at all times, cuz.
A couple diffs. I'm gonna load this one. Or I'll have one ready.
Mm-hmm.
I'll drop the gearing.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what gears it has, but
So he's always on the limiter in second, so maybe I don't know if that'll be, I don't know what if it'll be a benefit for him being in third, because I just don't believe the car has enough. But maybe if we could make the gearing longer.
390, yeah. I have 390s all day.
Okay.
It probably has 411s in it, to be honest.
If we could make it a little longer so that he's not just beasting. Yeah. I wanted to hit the kart track with the motorcycles. Hell no. It's hot than a bitch. Ain't nothing like being, like you feel claustrophobic trapped in them suits when it's this hot. Yeah, I'm cool off that, cuz. Hand me my green one. Jalen, where the hell that food go? Hand me my green one right there. That's a 10 or a 12?
10.
10, all right, cool. Yeah, there's, oh, so this dude, older dude, and his son, they're looking at the Ducati V2s, right? Oh, a spacer?
Yeah.
Okay, I
like
see it red
holds
right
it.
here. Yep, I got it.
It holds the whole top of it. So you can usually leave it in there, but it's so fucking hard to put it in.
Okay. Here, turn on that GoPro, boy.
Make sure you get my good side, huh?
Jalen. This nigga is useless. Oh, man. This guy here. Here we go. Ready to lift.
Stuck over here.
It's stuck. No. It's just a drain tube. It's up and out.
It's not way that well. Alright, we won't flop this right next to the Integra. This one's already starting to rip, too, see?
Mm-hmm.
It's just getting worse because we're like the way we're handling it.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna leave it like that. We'll pick it up and put it over there like that.
Okay. Do we need to clear your tool or anything?
Well, I know I'm short, but it should be okay.
All right. Yeah. Okay.
This side's not too bad.
We could I got some like masking tape we could hit it with.
You can always get this after too.
Huh?
You can always get it like after too.
Yeah.
Sew it back up.
Yeah.
Your girlfriend is here. She'll probably sew it for you. That's the nice thing I like about her. She grew up poor, so she learned how to sew, keep her clothes, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, just throw away those pants. She's like, no, they're still fucking good.
Jay, get your water.
We're gonna lift it, and we gotta line these up over here. This one has two.
Jay.
Wow, I can.
What you mean you can't? Man, you in the room and play a video game all day. What are you doing? What's wrong with you? Yeah, I mean, just gotta wipe her down, Jalen got Aura returned to the car. You got a nice minty clean new back window. Oh, you like his student driver plate since he blew his fucking car out?
I didn't.
You did.
It look better than half the Infinities and V2s.
It definitely does, for sure. But you still blew it out, my boy.
And guess what? I don't give a. When I look
It's
at
only money. What's Lamar say? It's just money.
When I look
This
at it,
guy.
I'm like, damn. When I look at the front canard, it pisses me off because it's so flat.
Oh yeah, scraping it and hitting it and breaking it.
It was the skid when it dropped off. I was like, what the hell? It just got loose and it's
yeah. But you had already destroyed it in Stockton.
Yeah, I did. I destroyed it a few times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, well, let me hold on. Let me handle business. Jeff, what's your cash app? I think I got it. I dropped by Lamar's, get you some more prestige action. You know what I mean?
Sounds good. It sounds like shit.
So, huh?
Sounds like shit in the front of the engine room.
Oh,
Probably because that the exhaust leak. The turbo.
probably the bolts do get loose quite frequently, which is perplexing, which is confusing to be honest. All right. All right. All tools. He says it's good, then it's good. Roll up your windows.
Fucking the Harley Davidson fucking.
Yep. Strap yourself in. Oh my God, it's hot in here. Holy. Rounds.
I think I have some better S4s.
What a day, what a day. After you, sir, with a hoodie, and it's 100. And I got a hoodie on, and it's equally as 100.
What's up? Got my car being dirty.
Okay.
So I got outside and just rinsed it down. And I gotta reapply my student driver's thing. It's a new top, even though it's ashy at the moment.
Oh my God. Somebody turned the heat up. And it's a lot cooler on this side of town. It is the very next day, and I left this on the car yesterday because I actually came out here and sewed up a little cut. There was a little cut here. I did sew that up. It is sewed. I just put this over it just to protect the damn threads for a second so that they, sitting in the sun, they won't get real brittle and burnt and nothing like that. We're just gonna wash, condition the top, so that'll be a little bit more supple. It's actually really chilling now that it's sitting in the sun. It's got some time to stretch. That's another reason why I wanted to protect those threads, so that I didn't use a very thick string. So I did pull it tight last night while it was cooler, and I don't want the sun to make those little holes rip. Anyway, Jalen does have a problem with being in the heat. I've noticed this since he was a little kid. Way back in the day, one of the first verts I had, we went on a hot sunny day like this. We were going out driving way out to Fairfield, and I had the top down. Jalen was really little, and he was acting weird. And when I looked at him, I'm like, something's wrong with the kid. He was probably about 4 years old at the time. And what I realized was that the sun is on top of his head with the top down. Man, he was getting fried right in his cranium. And so while we're driving, I had to pull the handbrake a little bit, put the top up, and then lean the seat back so he's sitting under the shade. So he does have an issue with being in direct hot sunlight. For whatever reason, he never grew out of it. Another time we went down to LA, I went to go hang with JTP. We were going to watch some top drifting. We were just going to have a day in LA. Drove all the way down there. We got out a balcony. It was hella hot. and that boy instantly went into overheat mode, had lesions and welts all pop up all on him. I had to throw him in the RX-8, let the RX-8 idle for like hours. Actually couldn't cut it off because he stayed in the AC. And then I had to move him from the front to the back to hide behind the port windows. And I drove all the way down to LA for 7 hours just to hang in LA for 15 to 25 minutes because he couldn't take the heat. So yesterday I noticed that he was getting a little weird, so had him go sit down and just kept giving him hella bottled waters. So that's why as soon as we left there, we just went and got tons of water and everything for the trip home, so we can kind of balance itself out. But you know, the kid ain't built for it tough like that. This is a new little look, new little lease. I'm just used to a raggedy little top, man. I mean, as these cars get old, that's regularly gonna happen. These tops are not fresh, they aren't new. And this one's eventually gonna get fucked up, so gotta find a solution, gotta find an option for that. But we'll end this video because it's about to start getting hot. I'm about to go secure my goddamn cold beverages for the day, and that's gonna be about that with that. Also, told you on the last video, I got a couple little shoes. Since I'm gonna be riding street, I never really ride street with these bikes, but since I like street on this bike, I can't just be rolling around in all black everything like I typically always am. We're just gonna throw a little color on the bottom of the feet, and these are far bigger than my actual natural shoe size, so we're gonna put the clown shoes on and let them get dirty riding motorcycles. But other than that, man, it's 2 and we're out.